Very messy, it's very ugly, so I need to do something with it. I'm back in Australia. I head back to Samoa officially 1 week from today. So right now I am busy getting everything ready for us to take back to Samoa. Really good news is that our domes have arrived. So that's waiting for me to come back and put up. There's only one more thing that we need to do for the deck, and that is to put up our decking boards. Once the decking boards go on, then we can put the dome up. Claire and I, we run our Airbnb here. It's been really busy, so we've just had some guests check out. This is our Airbnb. Okay. Hello. Just quickly check to make sure nobody's actually here. What's the first thing you do there?
First do a walk around, make sure everything is okay, nothing's broken, stolen. This is the pantry. We got all our kitchen appliances, a tea box for guests, tea, coffee, hot chocolate, sugar. This is my floating cleaning trolley, my little housekeeping.
What do you think of my bed making skills?
Yeah, terrible.
What?
It's good, but it needs to be better.
I'm gonna show you one of my favorite things about running an Airbnb. It's getting free food. Some yogurt, some milk. That's going in my fridge. Let's leave behind. Yep. So today we've got Current Drought Brewery Fresh. Not much of a drink up, but some free beers. So I've just finished cleaning, organizing the Airbnb for the next guests. Show you guys around real quick. Alright, finish. I'm gonna show you guys what we have here in Australia. Here is our pool area. This is bush lemon. He's my favorite. This is pomelo. It grows much bigger than that. It's a cousin of the grapefruit. Yeah. Lime tree here. This is a starfruit tree. It's out of season at the moment, but when it does fruit, it has heaps of fruit. This is a soursop. Another one that also fruits really well. So here, this is soursop. Put in some turf, some new grass. First thing to do, clean up all this rubbish in some of these garden bags. I've got all the rubbish in the bag. I'm going to get a skip bin in. So I'm currently in Bunnings. I'm looking for a new rake. Man, I missed this place when I was in Samoa. All of these. First step is I'm going to put down the topsoil and then I'll put the turf on. I picked up some turf. So this is buffalo couch turf. Is very affordable. Problem is you have to keep mowing it a lot. I'm heading over to visit my friend Ratu, who came to visit me in Samoa. He's actually doing some renovations and I'm going to help him out.
Hola.
What are you up to, bro?
Yeah, doing a bit of panels, getting the expertise of Jesse.
I am not an expert. We're going to put a flat paneling up here. It's going to look sick. Look at that.
Do the storage, eh?
Storage, yeah. I want to put like a hidden door down there.
The finishing touches now, eh?
Keen to see what it looks like at the end, hey? What's your plan, Ratu, once you finish renovating?
My plan is to put it on Airbnb, make some money.
Make some money. Who's this one for?
For Rasta.
Oh.
Yeah. That's for you, Sio and Tao.
Yeah.
Hope you guys like it, eh?
Rasta Sio actually asked me to get him some of this. This is like the upgraded version of what Tao and Sio has. Let's go through what I bought. Also, I had some really awesome equipment that have been sent over from some really cool companies as well. That's going to be really useful in Samoa. These are some spears that I actually got the boys, so I'm really excited to show them that. And this whole bag is full of stuff that I'm taking back. So we've got hammocks, we've got some more serious hiking gear. And the boys really liked my collapsible kettle, so I bought them some each. Something arrived in my mail today. There you go. So here's an electric generator. It's solar powered as well, so this is going to be really useful for where our dome is. So these are actually pretty cool because they're supposed to be kind of like portable lights that you can stick on everywhere. Sofirn. Let's test it out. So I've got one for each of the boys, one for me, one for Tao, and one for Rasta Seal, and also one for Cam. This is cool. So I've got the clip here for it, charging cable. What's this? Yep, this is the clip. So it's like a little magnet. So I think this is what you can clip it onto different things. What's that? That's keyring, instructions. There's our light. Cool packaging, it's nice. That's tiny. I actually thought it would be a lot bigger than this. Check that out. Be useful for the mountains for sure. So there's the light here. Yeah, just got it on. You can put it on your wrist, see, like that. Watch this. See that? It's pretty powerful, man. Check this out. So you can walk around. This lamp, not bad at all, man. Okay, I'm in my shed. Like if I want to get into something, for example, see, I like this, and it's also magnetic. So look at this. That's cool. It's a fix. See that? Definitely recommend this. So the guys up at Sofirn sent this over, so they actually wanted me to test it out and review it for them. So yes, thank you for sending it over. It's a really good product. I highly recommend it. It's also rechargeable, so it's not battery operated, which is really good. Boys are really going to make use of this. I'm going to make use of this back in Samoa when I go next week. This next one I'm really excited about because this is actually something that we really need, especially for our domes. This company also sent this to me to review as well. So ALLPOWERS is called. I was planning to get one of these anyways for Samoa, so when they reached out, wanted me to have a review for them, I was like, yeah man, send it over for sure. We've got a cable here. Oh, that shit is sick. Oh, look at that. Oh, yeah. Look at that, man, that's so good. I like the color too. Well, it's a really good size. It's nice and compact, so it's not too big. To turn it on, you have to press that. So we're at 97%, and that gives us 4 days of power. Press it once, and then that should charge. There you go. See if that's working too. Yep. Also comes with this big ass solar panel, so you can use it completely off grid. Hey, in Samoa we get it there. They packed it really well. Whoa, look at that. That's a solar panel. Really good product. Honestly, I'm really happy with this. I'm really glad that they actually sent me this, and it's also very affordable. I've seen very expensive ones here in Australia. Thanks ALLPOWERS for sending it through. Really appreciate it. If you guys want to get yourselves one of these, I will put a link in the description. They're running a sale at the moment. Thank you so much ALLPOWERS for sending this one to me. If you want to get yourselves one of these, I'll put a link in the description. Jump on there, check it out. If you want to buy yourself one, definitely recommend. Okay.